Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the problem. View battery health percentage and cycle count so you know the extent. Once done, close battery-hungry apps, turn off background refresh, and enable low-power mode to reduce stress. Next, calibrate the gauge. Charge to 100% and then use the device until it reaches around 20%. This helps the system learn accurate capacity estimates. Make sure to perform these first steps before deeper troubleshooting. They reveal whether simple habits cause rapid decline. You now address software and behavior. Update the operating system and firmware because fixes often reduce background wake-ups or misreporting that accelerate wear. Next, audit apps. Swap heavy ones for lighter alternatives, restrict location and push, and limit screen-on time to cut cycles. Also change charging habits. Avoid full 0% to 100% swings, and instead keep the battery between roughly 20 and 80%. This reduces chemical stress and slows capacity loss. You finish by validating results. Run diagnostics and monitor temperature and voltage for anomalies, because heat and overvoltage are common culprits. If problems persist after optimization, back up your data and perform a factory reset or clean OS reinstall to rule out corrupted system-level services. Make sure to recheck health after the reset. If capacity still declines quickly, the issue is likely physical. Arrange a professional battery replacement. Troubleshooting tip. If diagnostics show overheating, stop using the device and seek service immediately.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.